We're on the strip. We're on the strip. We made it to the Venetian, guys. It's a little after 8.
It took us a while to find out where to go for ballet, but we found it.
We found it.
And we jumped out of the car and they were like, don't worry about anything, we'll take all your stuff, just go get checked in. So
that makes us happy. We don't want to carry it.
Yeah, so awesome staff here. Does a great job. Great way to start things out.
And it looks like they're having Lunar New Year here too. I can't wait to show you guys around. First thing we're gonna do is take you on the room tour.
Alright, here we go. We're on the 27th floor.
27th floor.
Going to our suite.
Our room number is 220, which is Brian Littrell's birthday.
Alright, that's a good sign so far. Wow, it's gorgeous.
And by the way, all the rooms here are suites.
Yes.
It's what the Venetian does.
We just like to say, we're going to our suite, darling.
Yes, darling.
Here we go.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. So beautiful. It
My
smells
god,
good.
it's gorgeous.
Oh, wait, the bathroom first.
Oh, okay.
Since we're here, let's show
Turn
you.
the lights on, darling. I'd like to see my suite now.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Wow, holy
Look at
crap. Look at
Look
this.
there. Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous.
What kind of lights in here?
Here's the shower.
Guys, this is huge. And this is the regular king suite.
Open the doors.
Oh, we got padded hangers and robes. I already turned one around. I hope I don't get charged for it.
B, you're not supposed to touch
I don't
these.
care. You don't put raisins in my room.
Do you see our view? Do we have a good view?
It's not the strip.
Oh.
Why? Wait, there's gonna be a way to hold on over here.
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Look over here. I'm gonna make it fun. Sheer open. Oh, cool. I feel rich for a cheap price. Wow, what are we tasting here? Are we in the back of the building?
Yeah, we're in the back.
It's a casino over there.
Is that Ellis Island?
Oh, no. But there's casinos, it's just not the strip.
It's not a view of the strip, guys, but it will do. I want to know what the...
The sign's up there.
Oh, what's...
That's a fun sign. And there's definitely casinos in the distance. We just don't know what they are.
What?
Tuscany.
Oh, Tuscany's
That's
right
Tuscany,
there.
guys. We wanted to stay at Tuscany. It's so cute. It's like a little boutique casino. Oh, we could go over there. This place is freaking huge. Isn't this like the biggest casino right now?
Yeah.
Until Resorts World comes around.
Here we go. Oh. See, there's like little nips and stuff in here.
Little nips?
Yeah.
With nipples? Hello? Yes. Oh, great. Thank you so much. We're up here. Thank you. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Who was that?
Just confirming you're in your suite so we can bring up your luggage. I was like, bring me that sheet.
Alright guys, so I just want to show you what kind of storage they have in this room. These are just normal regular drawers that you can put stuff in. We thought maybe there was something in them, but they're just empty drawers, good for storage space. The mini bar is right in the middle here. If you just open that up, there's the mini bar. Again,
No regular fridge.
yeah, there's no regular fridge. I'm just going to show you guys these drawers for your clothes. Oh, this has like 3 different levels of drawers. That's nice. 3 sets of bigger drawers in the middle.
I love that you're opening them all.
And then on this side, same thing, 3 levels of drawers. You never know in a hotel. You got to open every door to see what's behind it. And tri-level drawers next to the bed.
I'm so done.
Somebody's tired.
Take my money and leave.
But you're in Vegas. You can't sleep in Vegas.
I'm actually like dizzy from tired.
The tri-level drawers are on both sides of the bed, as you can see.
If you snore in the middle of the night,
I will snore.
wait, if you snore in the middle of the night, I'm just gonna sleep on the ottoman. Thank you for checking out the room with us, guys. Hope you like it. I can't wait to stay here. We won't be in the room much, but it's really, really, really nice.
Yeah, we're hoping maybe 10 minutes we'll get to spend in this suite.
Thanks for watching Laliland. We love you guys. We're gonna go get ready to go to the Backstreet Boys after party before we see them. Don't ask, it's just the way it worked out.
And together we go high.
I didn't even see this. I got my little beauty table here, babe, which I need to use because I've been on the go since 5 a.m. It's now 9 p.m. Q-tips. A sewing kit, I don't know how to sew. Of course, now they would have a nail file when I need it. What is this? Shower cap. Cool, this is so nice, the little amenities box.